Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduction. My name is Ranjani. Now we will discuss about properties of engineering material. The final is the material for an engineering product or application. Is it important to understand the mechanical properties of the material? The mechanical properties of material are those which affect mechanical strength and ability of material to be molded in a suitable shape. Some of the typical mechanical properties of a material include strength, toughness, hardness, hardenability, weirdness, brittleness, malleability, ductility, creep and slip, resilience, fit tight. 1. Strike. This is the property of material which opposes the deformation of breakdown of material in presence of external forces or load. Material which the finalists for our engineering product must have suitable mechanical strength to be capable to work under different mechanical force or load. Toughness. It is the ability of a material to absorb the energy and get plastically deformed without fracturing. Its numerical value is determined by the amount of energy per unit volume. Each unit is a joule per meter. Value of toughness of a mechanical can be determined by stress-strain characteristic of a material. For good toughness, a material should have good strength as well as ductility. For example, brittle material having good strength but limited ductility are not tough enough. Conversely, material having good ductility but low strength are also not tough enough. Therefore, to be tough, a material should be capable to withstand both high stress and strain. Hardness. It is ability of a material to resist to permanent shape change due to external stress. There are various measures of hardness, strike hardness, indentation hardness, and rebound hardness. Strike hardness. Strike hardness is the ability of material to oppose the scratches to outer surface layer due to external force. Indentation hardness. It is the ability of material to oppose the then do the punch of external hard and sharp object. Rebound hardness. Rebound hardness is also called as dynamic hardness. Is this determined by the height of bounce of a diamond-tipped hammer dropped from a fixed height on the material? Hardenability is the ability of material to attain the hardness by heat terminate processing. It is determined by the depth to which the material becomes hard. The C-unit of hardenability is meter or similar to length. Hardenability of material is inversely proportional to the wearability of material. Brittleness of material indicated the how usually is get fractured when is the subjected to a force or a load. When a brittle material is subjected to a stress, it absorbs very less energy and gets fractures without significant strain. Brittleness is confers to ductility of material. Brittleness of material is temperature dependent. Some metals which are ductile at normal temperature become brittle at low temperature. Malleability. Malleability is a property of solid material which indicated the how usually a material gets deformed under compressive stress. Malleability is often categorized by the ability of material to be formed in the form of a thin sheet by hammering or rolling. This mechanical property is an aspect of plasticity of material. Malleability of material is temperature dependent. With rise in temperature, the malleability of material increases. Ductility. Uh, Ductility is a property of a solid material which indicated that how usually a material gets deformed under tail stress. Ductility is often categorized by the ability of a material to get stretched into a wear by pulling or drawing. This mechanical property is also an aspect of plasticity of material and is temperature dependent. With rise in temperature, the ductility of material increases. Fatigue. Fatigue is the weakening of material caused by the repeated loading of the material. When a material is subjected to cyclic loading and loading greater than a certain threshold value, but much below the strength of material. Uh, Microscopic cracks begin to form at grain boundaries and interface. Thanks for attention. See you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.